I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the game and enabling the console so commands will register. First, make sure BO3 is fully updated and running on PC. Once done, add the Enable Console Launch parameter or toggle the developer setting in Config. You then create or locate AutoExec. CFG and back up the original file to avoid accidental loss. When you've saved that copy, edit the active config with a plain text editor so commands load reliably at startup. You now open the console with the tilde key and test foundational commands to confirm access. Type benign queries first. Use svcheats1 only in local or allowed sessions, then try God or Noclip to see immediate effects. Make sure to restart the map with map restart if a command seems inactive. For efficiency, chain multiple commands with semicolons and create aliases in AutoExec. CFG so you can run complex sequences with a single short name. You finish by automating and safeguarding your workflow so you don't repeat steps. Put command sequences into AutoExec. CFG and bind them to keys for instant activation. This reduces input errors and speeds testing. Always use consoles offline or on private servers because public servers and anti-cheat systems will block or punish modifications. If a command fails, make sure the config file has correct permissions, no trailing characters or quotes, and that the syntax matches required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.